Whether you are cooking some tasty dish or merely making a salad dressing, this simple ingredient will improve the taste and raise your cooking game on a whole new level. Besides, olive oil is simply fantastically healthy. Yes, unlike the other dressings of this type, this ingredient features fewer calories, an incredible amount of antioxidant content, vitamins A, D, E, and K, produces strong antibacterial effects, and much, much more. Yeah, this is one serious package. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Kitchen Ever present Top 5 Best Olive Oil Sprayer. Let's get started. Number 5. Chefvantage Premium Olive Oil. Some people say that beauty lies in simplicity. And although this claim can be argued, this neat cooking sprayer definitely presents enough evidence to support this point. Sure, this bottle won't win any prizes for design, but it's simple, elegant, and what's more important, does its job near perfect. And don't get us wrong, when we say this bottle features simple design, we don't mean it looks bad. On the contrary, the oil chamber is made from scratch-resistant glass that is pretty good looking and easy to clean. Stainless steel top that for the most part hides the pump, doesn't lag behind either. So, there is nothing too extreme going on here, and we appreciate the sprayer even more for this fact. But, the part where things start to become really interesting is the very pump. Unlike most other units on the market that rely on aerosols, this sprayer uses the good old pressure pump mechanism that doesn't need a couple of pumps to get going. This solution is also pretty immune to clogging, so you will be able to use other liquids as well as prime your oil herbs and vinegar. Number 4. DWL-LZA Kitchen Olive Oil Dispenser. This complete olive oil bottle set from DWL-LZA Kitchen consists of a large, 17-ounce capacity dispenser bottle and a petite 6-ounce pressure mister. The dispenser, which includes a press-action release for precise measurement, is perfect for dressing salads, bread, and roasted veggies. The sprayer can be quickly pressurized using the lid pump for a consistent, fine mist for greasing baking dishes and pans. Each bottle is made of thick glass with elegant stainless steel collars. Number 3. EVO 18-ounce Reusable Oil Sprayer. If the previous product had a neutral design that grew on us over time, the first impression we got from this piece of kitchenware was pretty on the nose. Namely, we couldn't escape the fact this olive oil sprayer looks like some kind of cleanser. Seriously, when we were testing the unit, we were tempted more than a couple of times to use the bottle to remove the grease from the oven. But, without intention to be too harsh, we have to point out that although the overall look of EVO's oil sprayer is definitely not our cup of tea, we definitely appreciate the ergonomic design of this unit. Even when things around the kitchen became very messy, we did not, at any point, start feeling the bottle slipping out of our hands or had any problems spraying oil. Well, unless we take into account the fact that the position of the tube at the very bottom of the tanks makes spraying while tilted extremely difficult. Number 2. Purolite Continuous Spray Olive. And now, for something completely different. Yeah, you may feel that we are paying too much attention to the look of these units, but their overall design is often too fun to be ignored. For instance, who would expect to find olive oil in such a streamlined, sci-fi looking bottle? We would definitely not. But, according to the manufacturer, the choice of blue wrapping for the bottle of this sprayer, aside from producing a wow factor, also creates an additional layer of UV protection that prevents the oil inside from degrading. And you also get a refill meter, so you always know how much oil you are left with. So, we can say nothing but props to the design department. Once we move past that, though, we can find one pretty by the numbers olive oil sprayer that doesn't do anything particularly wrong but does not excel in any department either. Sure, the base of the bottle is wide, and you have a pretty good grip while you are holding it, but that can be said for thousands of other bottles as well. Number 1. Poosmug Olive Oil Sprayer. These easy-to-use 3.4-ounce glass bottle trigger sprayers by Poosmug produce a fine mist with just the simple press of a button. The sleek, 304 stainless steel top and intelligently designed straw and pump head look beautiful and function flawlessly use after use. The comfortable trigger button encompasses the entire top of the bottle and is grooved for no-slip operation. With the wide mist spray, you can easily coat a large frying pan in seconds without stressing your hand or wasting time pumping. And as a bonus, you get 2 bottles for nearly the same price others are selling a single bottle. Use it for other liquid seasonings like vinegar, soy sauce, lemon/lime juice, sherry or wine.